Aloha, I'm geologist Philip Ong, sharing a Kilauea video brief. In this report, the eruption's steady pattern. Kilauea's ongoing summit eruption went through a dynamic early phase, during which a larger lava lake periodically crusted over completely before lava burst forth from the evolving west vent. However, over the last 6 months has displayed a steadier pattern of activity. Now, a smaller, persistent lava lake continually circulates near the west vent, complemented by large ooze-up flows that emerge from beneath the perimeter of Halema'uma'u crater's crusted surface. Since eruption began almost 1 year ago on September 29, 2021, lava has filled the then 112-acre or 45-hectare Halema'uma'u crater by 469 feet or 143 meters, while more than doubling its footprint to the current 294 acres or 119 hectares. Combined with the previous eruption from December 2020 to May 2021, this brings the total lava depth in the crater to over 1,211 feet, or 369 meters. Much of that gain happens in the early part of each eruption. Yet, over the past 3 months, the crater floor has still risen an average of 16 feet or 5 meters each month, sometimes faster and sometimes slower, but overall continuing the steady pattern. While about 70% of the elevation lost during the 2018 collapse has been refilled, due to the conical shape of the crater, this only amounts to 20% of the lost volume. It still adds up to a whopping 40 billion gallons, or 152 million cubic meters. Almost 3/4 of it erupted within the last year. Lava has overtopped and covered a large part of the downdrop blocks to the north and northwest of the crusted lake, and is close to spilling onto the downdrop block to the southwest. At the current rate, it projects to spill onto the larger eastern downdrop block in about 2 months, around the US Thanksgiving holiday. All this is happening within direct public view in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, with fantastic experiences captured by both locals and visitors and shared online. Views of the lava lake and its spatter bursts have been reliable, with the frequent ooze-up lava flows putting on a bonus show elsewhere around the crusted crater floor, all surrounded by glowing, fuming spatter cones. The higher lava level has also improved viewing, with the activity coming into view from the east at Kupina'i, also known as Waldron Ledge, accessible from the main visitor center. This expands upon the previously established views from the south at Kenakakoi and from the north at Uekahuna, helping spread out the growing number of visitors. The volcano continues to vent its usual gases and produce fog with particulates, which remains the primary hazard to people for this eruption. Unfortunately for South and West Hawaii residents, emissions have also remained fairly steady in a range of 1,000 to 2,000 tons per day of SO2. However, there is still no increased threat of lava flows outside of the national park. As the 1-year milestone of this latest eruptive chapter approaches, Kilauea's pattern seems well established with few surprises, yet its steady filling of the crater continues to dramatically change the landscape. That's all this week. To support our productions, please like, share, and subscribe. Mahalo.